Hello, my name is Gustavus Wyche. This is Project 9.1 of Dr. AL-Ghandour's Spring 2021 Data 620 class. This presentation digs into the data on the state of the vaccine rollout in the U.S. to estimate the date when enough Americans will be vaccinated to achieve herd immunity. I was excited to hear President Biden say that we would be able to safely have July 4th barbecues if enough people get vaccinated. Was the president being overly optimistic? Let's dig into the data to find out. The United States continues to have the highest number of COVID-19 infections and deaths of any other country, as illustrated in Figure 1. At the time of this recording, the U.S. accounted for nearly a quarter of cases and just over 20% of COVID-19 deaths worldwide. Thankfully, we have 3 vaccines available and the rollout has begun. Figure 2 looks at the number of daily vaccinations from December 15th, 2020 through March 13th, 2021. We see despite 2 dips in daily vaccinations reported in the first and last weeks of February, the number of shots administered each day trends upward. Figure 3 shows the linear trend line computed for the sum of daily vaccinations on a given date. The trend is statistically significant with a p-value of less than 0.001 and R-squared value of 0.96. America is the leader in COVID-19 transmission, but on a brighter note, we also lead in administering the vaccine. Figure 4 illustrates just how fast the U.S. is getting its people vaccinated compared to the other countries in the top 10. In Figure 5, we use Tableau's forecasting function to estimate future vaccination totals to see if the president's optimism is warranted. As of March 13th, 2021, 35 million Americans, that's roughly 10% of the population, have been fully vaccinated against the virus. This is awesome news, but according to the CDC, in order for the U.S. to achieve herd immunity, we'd need to vaccinate between 70 to 90% of the population. That means that roughly 231.7 million Americans will need to be fully vaccinated for the U.S. to achieve the lowest herd immunity target. The research conducted here estimates that by July 4th, only 137,215,444 people will be fully vaccinated. The estimate shows that herd immunity won't occur until around October 16th. So, was the president being overly optimistic? Sadly, the data indicates that he was. Thanks for watching.